Hello everyone, in this video we are going to check a very cool package called Metrics. Whenever you want to track the views count on a page, or you want to track how many people logged in, signed up and many others, this package will come in very handy. Let's have a look. So right now I'm on the GitHub page of this package called Metrics, created by Steve Bowman. Thank you for that. And let's go through the installation steps first. We have to compose or require this package. Let's paste it in our terminal. By the way, I have a freshly created Laravel app with Breeze authentication. Okay, it's gonna install the package. After that, we have to publish the migrations. Okay, let's publish the migrations. Done. And now we have to run php artisan migrate. And this is going to create a metrics table in our database. Let's check if this is created. This is the project. And we've got a table metrics with name and many other fields related to this package. Okay, now let's have a look over the usage. We've got two ways we can use the metric: using the function, the global helper metric, and using the facade. Let's try the function. I'm gonna copy this, I will go to my project, and I've got here a route dashboard. Let's suppose I want to track the page views on this route. I'm gonna paste metric, I'm gonna change the key of this metric to dashboard views. Okay, we've created a new metric. Let's actually visit this route to see if this is going to be created. We can check our table, artisan serve, and I have to visit dashboard. Okay, I have to log in. Let's create a new user, register, login. Okay, now let's check our, I will refresh it. We should have two views. Now let's check our database. Do we have something in our metrics table? We should have some records. So here, metrics, and yes, we've got a new record called dashboard views. We've got the year when it was created, the month, the day, so today it's 11, and the value of 2. Let's refresh the page, and the value is going to become 3. Yeah, we've got 3 page views. Okay, let's actually query this table. We will visit the documentation, and let's look over the querying metrics. Okay, we can actually get all of the metrics for today. Let's try that. Below metrics today get, and let's die and dump this. Die and dump metrics. Okay, now I will visit again the dashboard, and I should get the only metric that I have in my database called dashboard views. Okay, let's actually display the views. I'm gonna return, I'm gonna make it very simple, return page views. Okay, metrics 0 and value. Okay, that's it. Let's try it. Page views 6. Now we have 7. If I refresh, 8. Now let's try something a little bit more advanced. We want to track how many times a specific user has logged in. To do that, we will have to find in HTTP controllers auth authenticated session controller, and this is the method which logs in the user. Right here we are going to use the helper metric. We will give it a name of user login. We will pass the measurable, which is going to be our user, and we will pass record. Okay, now notice that it doesn't know who is the user, so we have to provide this data user equals auth user. Okay. And very important step, which you don't have to miss, you have to go to models, user, and you have to use this trait. Has metrics. Okay, done. Now we can go here, and now we have to log out. Let's log in again. So the record is created in our metrics table, x@gmail.com, login. And if we go to our tables, metrics, we've got a new record created, user login. And notice the measurable type, it's app model user. So it knows the type, yeah? And we've got the value too. Okay, we can actually query the value of each metric. To do that, let's create a variable, logins per user equals metric. Let's suppose we need the today's logins, where name user login. So this is the name of the metric, and we have to sum the field called value. Okay, let's die and dump. Logins per user. Okay, I missed this capital letter. Okay, now let's refresh and we should get free. If you or your company needs a web application or a Laravel project tailored to your needs, feel free to reach out. You'll find the contacts in the description of this video.